Section 50 and 51, they were
election में जो DROs थे वो
judicial officers थे. This was the first time.
नहीं, judicial officer तो नहीं थे.
The judicial officers थे. जो DROs है, district returning officers है, वो तो district judicial officers थे. Returning officers भी judicial उससे लिए थे. AROs जो है, it was a mixed form.
But ये आप हम पे जबरदस्ती तो नहीं कर सकते हैं. इसमें लिखा है from the judiciary, subordinate judiciary in consultation with the Chief Justice of the concerned High Court. So how can somebody impose it? Suppose even you write to the Chief Justice, then it's his discretion whether he wants to spare a judicial officer or officers or not.
Yes. In fact, what we did was, we did write to all the 5 honorable Chief Justices of the High Courts, different letters.
Are they on record?
जी, they are on the record.
दिखाएं.
कब लिखा आपने बताइए? The first one is the Lahore High Court. It's at page 208. Letter was dated 1st of February 2023. In February, my lord. And there was a clear regret.
Where is the regret?
It's at page 208. There are 2 letters of Lahore High Court. The reply is at page 210 of the paper.
You wrote as far back as 1st of February?
Yes, my lord. Because the Provincial Assembly of the Punjab was...
फिर बताएं, फिर कब है?
फिर my lord, 210 पे. 210 पे, page 210 पे letter of regret है.
जरा पढ़ दें.
जी, my lord. मैं take your lordships to 211 पे.
नहीं, regret में जो reasons दिए हैं, as we speak.
जी, there was a shortage of judicial staff and all that.
पढ़ लेना.
It's para 2.
Para 1. Para 2-1.
Para 2-1. As we speak, a huge number of cases totaling 13,12,480 are pending adjudication in the courts of district and session judge, additional district and sessions judges, senior civil judges, and civil judges throughout Punjab. And if services of majority of these officers are given as district returning officers and returning officers at the disposal of Election Commission of Pakistan, this pendency will mount to by manifold. And the ultimate sufferers will be the poor litigants, resultantly hampering the entire scheme and system of dispensation of justice at the grassroots level, and this cannot be afforded compromise at the cost of delay in justice and aggravating nuisance of the human right.
But if this letter is already in the field, then the petitioner does not want elections.
मैं उसमें अर्ज कर देता हूँ.
If the Chief Justice, the Lahore High Court, the others have also declined or not?
Out of 5, the Islamabad High Court did not respond. We wrote in September and October to all the others. The Peshawar High Court said कि go to that's the judicial policy. आप वहाँ से जाके clarification लें. They did not agree to accede to our request. Balochistan High Court initially agreed, but later on the learned registrar said that no, we cannot provide. This was as near as the 2 weeks back. And Sindh High Court, just like Lahore High Court का एक और superseding letter है वो मैं अभी पढ़ता हूँ. They said कि नहीं, जब आप election program issue करेंगे फिर हमें request भेजिएगा. तो इलेक्शन प्रोग्राम तो बिल्कुल एट द वर्ड्स आता है. हमने AROs और DROs की ट्रेनिंग तो पहले करनी है.
वो तो पहले होती है. अच्छा, नहीं तो फिर इसका मतलब है कि your first choice was
judicial officer,
but the high courts did not agree. And for valid reasons, because you hold election and the litigant then suffers. And
that 1.5 months.
There is also another aspect, because I remember the elections when we did give judicial officers, and this was, I think, when I was Chief Justice of Balochistan, then the allegations invariably, and we also do judicial work, then the same matter may come before us in a judicial forum, because election tribunals are also judicial officers. So it could be argued that, this is a job, we have a clearly separation of powers of the executive, the judiciary, the legislature. We forget one important pillar, which is the election commission. But it's not a part of the executive, it's not a part of the judiciary, it's on its own.
We are a federal institution, but our constitutional body on its own, not under any.
Yes. So your choice was not, the first choice was not, you didn't appoint yourself.
No, my lord.
You asked the judiciary.
We were constrained.
And the judiciary, basically in Punjab, there is a clear-cut no.
Clear cut no. Uske baad in October
then
there was another letter.
Then I'm just thinking, how can the learned judge suspend an order? He will issue a writ against the High Court.
That's one of our grounds.
No. Then the learned single judge has passed an order.
The single judge.
And he will direct what? The Chief Justice to provide officers. I mean, can a writ be issued against the High Court? So what sort of relief do they want? Or they don't want elections? Where is this, Mr. Where is this, Mr. Niazi? I mean, if one person is going to hold Pakistan to ransom, I mean, he's just one individual, and he says, "I'm so and so."
No other political party has come forward to challenge this.
Political parties, the political parties in the business of elections. So why would they?